Hey, what's up guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. Today it's gonna be a weird video since it's a tech channel and unboxing a shaving kit, or well, a haircut kit is not the best thing to do. But since you know what, it's electrical and let me do it, why not? So sorry for the recent upload schedules, it have been really hard for me, and yeah, I want to say that and get in with the unboxing. I'm just gonna say that we're not gonna have a review on this product like we do on all the other products, but we are just gonna go ahead and unbox it. Before we do, we are just going to go through the box overview. We have all the three key features and everything you need, and here is the list of what are the products that are included. It says 22 products, I guess. Yeah, so a total of 22. And now let's go ahead and open this thing up. I love how it's presented with this type of cutout. So let's just pull the box out, and I really love how it comes in a box, so the storage is made really easy. Let's just try to open it right away. Here we go, that comes out. What else is in the box? Here we have some few manuals, essential home styling techniques. This is gonna be great. I mean, I don't know, it's included, so why not? Alright, this is here. Let's close that. Here we have another manual, but in a different language. We have the cover. We have a few blades, few more blades, some cutting and comb and etc. And here we have the machine itself. The machine is really big for some reason. I don't know. It feels really great. And it's packed in this bubble wrap. So you know what that means. Stress reliever. Anyways, let's put everything back into the box. I mean, there's nothing big that I can like review or unbox in this. It's just basic shaving and a haircut machine. So yeah, that's pretty much all for this short video. Anything that I have to add is I just forgot how this feature existed. And yeah. Wait, so assume average cut of $15 plus tip is $17. So 10 cuts a year is times 3 users. You save over $500 a year. That's what they mentioned. Okay, anyways, that's gotta be it for today's video. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.